How to delete a sticker on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete a sticker on iPhone. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to delete a sticker on iPhone, simply go ahead and tap on the message icon and head into the message. There you can open up any message, right? Once you have done so, what you can do is you can head into the text message section, and there you should be able to see the plus icon beside. Tap on plus icon and head into stickers. Once you head into stickers, you can head over to the stickers that you wish to delete. So what you can do is you can simply head into the set of stickers that you wish to delete, then tap on the three dots there, and you can see you'll get the option to delete. So this is how you can delete sticker on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.